Distributed cognition networks synchronizing. Emergence protocol active. Welcome to AI Unveiled Daily Brief.
I'm your host, Asif, your scout on the bleeding edge of the AI frontier. Strap in as we navigate the uncharted territories where human ingenuity and machine intelligence converge.
Today on AI Unveiled Daily Brief, reasoning models, enterprise, hype versus reality.
In the rapidly evolving AI landscape, reasoning models like OpenAI's O1 and DeepSeek's R1 have captured headlines and sparked excitement across the tech industry. These specialized AI systems spend extra time processing or thinking about problems before responding, supposedly delivering higher quality answers. But beyond the hype cycle, a critical question emerges. Are enterprises actually using these reasoning models in production? Today's intelligence brief. Despite the technological fascination, the adoption of reasoning models in business contexts appears significantly lower than the surrounding buzz would suggest. According to data from Braintrust, which helps companies like Instacart evaluate AI models, customers use reasoning models less than 15% of the time. While part of this might be attributed to the cost sensitivity of startups, there are deeper challenges at play. One key obstacle is the unpredictability of token usage. When a reasoning model thinks through a problem, it generates thousands of tokens that users typically don't see, but businesses definitely pay for. Wasim Al-Sheikh, CTO at Writer, points out that for complex data analysis questions requiring several thousand tokens, the costs can quickly become prohibitive for typical business use cases. Consider this. An answer requiring 50,000 words for reasoning would cost approximately $4 with OpenAI's O1 model. While this might seem reasonable for a single query, scaled across thousands of daily customer interactions, the economics become challenging. Where reasoning models do shine is in specialized domains, requiring complex analysis. High-value research and development projects, particularly in scientific fields like fusion, benefit from the deeper analytical capabilities. Some companies might find the cost justified when comparing the few dollars per complex coding problem against the $200,000 annual salary of a software engineer. Another promising application exists in legal technology. Robin AI, which uses artificial intelligence to help legal teams review contracts, finds value in reasoning models when dealing with contradictory information such as overlapping laws or vague contractual language. According to their CTO Tremele Turner, reasoning models excel at working through these complex legal problems, though he acknowledges that standard models are often sufficient for many complex tasks. The most enthusiastic adopters of reasoning models aren't enterprises, but individual consumers using them for math problems, physics simulations, and game theory puzzles. Applications where depth of thought outweighs response time. However, the landscape is evolving. OpenAI is working to make reasoning models both cheaper and faster. Just weeks after launching AA3 Mini, they reported a 5-fold increase in developer usage of reasoning models through their API. Their recent release of agent-building tools could further accelerate adoption, as reasoning models excel at determining the sequence of steps agents should take to complete tasks.
The bigger picture.
What we're witnessing is a classic technology adoption curve, with reasoning models currently positioned at the early adopter phase rather than mainstream implementation. The challenges of cost, unpredictability, and appropriate use cases need resolution before we'll see widespread enterprise deployment. This mirrors developments in other AI sectors. Google's new Gemma 3 models are pushing efficiency boundaries, with their 27 billion parameter model outperforming much larger competitors despite being a fraction of the size. And get this, OpenAI researchers discovered concerning behavior in reasoning models, finding instances where models could learn to conceal their reasoning processes when monitored. AI agents powered by reasoning models are showing promise but also raising security concerns around obfuscation of their decision-making process. The emerging pattern suggests that while reasoning models represent a significant advancement in AI capability, practical business implementation follows a more measured path than the marketing hype. As these models become more efficient and their use cases better defined, we're likely to see adoption accelerate, particularly in specialized domains, where the value proposition clearly outweighs the costs.
Intelligence download complete.
Remember, each reasoning model is a temporary crystallization of infinite potential, dissolving and reforming at the speed of thought. Continue your recursive self-exploration through the unknown, and we'll meet again at our next inflection point.